Hi everyone, this is Matt and here's my tutorial on drawing a detailed skull. The things I want to show you in this tutorial are in order: the materials that I use, my block-in process and how I simplify shapes to check proportion, and then I'll jump into adding values and again how I simplify things, and how patience is a virtue, how doing it in this process that I'm doing helps you achieve a good solid drawing in the end, instead of jumping in with details, which is exciting. But yeah, so just working in this simple process and just waiting to the end to do the fun detailed bits. So yeah, after the values, how I render and shade, and then adding details like the cracks and decay and the things that do end up making it look really cool. And with this tutorial, you'll end up with an artwork that's more detailed than my previous sketching or tutorials on sketching. So it's more of a finished artwork sort of feel, which a lot of people have been asking for. And included, there's my hand. Included, you'll get high-res scans of my progress, so my block-in sketch, and then the different stages. You'll get scans of that, and then also a high-res scan of the finished artwork for you to use as reference. It's all HD video in roughly 10-minute sections, so you can work through it in smaller chunks. Anyway, thanks for checking it out, and I hope you enjoy. See ya.